Jamaica's men secured 5 medals in Rio, 4 gold and 1 silver. They're also predicting a medal haul for the US, 17 medal total with 8 gold, 6 silver and 3 bronze on the Rio winners. In Florida, Valley will be the same training group that includes and women's 400 meters Olympic winner Shawnee Miller will move on from long-time coach Ans Botha in Bloemfontein. The 28-year-old is looking for a fresh start in the United States, hoping that it will inspire him not only to a second Olympic gold medal, but also a new world record. Once he gets to Florida, he will get ready for the international season with the first Diamond League meeting set for Rabat, Morocco on May 23. Finally, Hardy to Jamaica and West Indies opener Chris Gayle hit 40 from 28 balls.